Presenting the 2015 GMC Acadia. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: airbags, front, center, airbags, front, dual, airbags, front, side, airbags, front, rear and third row, side curtain, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, airbags, side curtain rollover sensor, child safety locks, child seat anchors and latch system. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.